Hey folks, today we're going a little bit old school. We're going to be talking about a WorkCentre 7800 series copier. We're going to be changing out the second bias transfer roll on this machine. I'm Matthew and this is the printing workshop. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the left side door. Your second bias transfer roll is located on top of that door when you open it. Now to take it out, you're going to want to press in on the orange tab right on top of the BTR. There's an arrow. You will push in the direction of that arrow until it clicks. You got to push kind of hard. Hear that click? All right. Now grab the BTR by the plastic on top of it. You'll swing it up and straight up and out. Now, you get your new one, open the box up, pull the new one out, take it out of the second box, now you want to go in exactly how we came out with it. So plastic up, and we're going to drop straight down, and you're going to want to put these little metal wheels right into the slots, and those slots have a metal contact in the bottom of them, so you know that's the right place where they go. And now that's on both sides. So you'll drop straight down into those slots, and then you'll swing that plastic back toward the door just like it came out. You'll push down on that plastic until you hear it click. And then you're done. When you close the door, you're going to want to press on the front and the rear of the door to make sure that it latches properly. Because if you only press on the front of the door, it'll latch just the front latch and not the rear, and you'll have printing issues. So you want to make sure that you press on the front and the rear of the door and make sure that both latches latch. Like that. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.